Namaste, I'm Neelesh Singh Pradhan from Nepal Clearing House Limited. There is a great session that's happening on 19th of December, which is the 10th edition of ICT Award, which is a great platform for the people and the companies working in tech field, and it's going to award the great contestants on the ICT Award as an ICT Award. And as an NCHL, we have been collaborating since last 3-4 years, and it's a pleasure being associated with ICT Award this year as well. I would like to see you all there on 19th of December, the 10th edition of ICT Award. Thank you.